What's that on the roof, Dad?
I think it's a baby bird.
Look, the baby bird can't fly.
Perhaps it's in danger.
Can the mother bird save it?
I think it can't.
Can I climb to get it, Dad?
I don't think you can. The roof is very high. We need a ladder. Oh, baby bird, come back to your nest.
Great. I think the birds are happy. Thank you, Dad.
What do you think Tala can take to the beach? 1. I think she needs sunglasses. 2. I don't think she needs a computer. 3. I think she needs a hat. 4. I think she needs some food. Chair, chicken,
nest, climb, roof, ladder, bird, garden.